Are you in the market for a new bike tire repair kits, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike tire repair kits chains on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Stans Nachoops Liquid Tire Sealant, 16 ounces. As a cyclist, there's nothing more frustrating than a flat tire interrupting your ride. But with Stans Nachoops Liquid Tire Sealant, you can prevent those pesky flats from ruining your day. This tubeless sealant is easy to use, and can be poured in or injected through removable core valve stems. And with its ability to quickly seal punctures up to 1/4, you can keep riding without any interruptions. Even in cold temperatures, this sealant won't freeze, thanks to its low viscosity formula. And with its long-lasting protection, it remains liquid for 2 to 7 months in your tire. Plus, it's made from natural materials, making it safe for the environment. So when you purchase Stans Nachoops Liquid Tire Sealant, you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product designed to keep you riding smoothly. Say goodbye to flat tires, and enjoy an uninterrupted ride with Stans Nachoops Liquid Tire Sealant. Number 2. Gorilla Force Ultra Strong Bike Tire Levers. Changing a flat tire on your bike can be a real hassle, especially if you don't have the right tools. But fear not, because we've got just what you need: Gorilla Force Ultra Strong Bike Tire Levers. These levers are built with ultra-strong material that won't break or leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere. And with their comfortable grip design, you won't have to worry about hand fatigue while changing your tire. Plus, the self-lubricating plastic ensures easy sliding without scratching your rims, making the entire process a breeze. And when you're done, these levers snap together for convenient storage in your bike tire repair toolkit. Best of all, with Gorilla Force's lifetime guarantee, you can rest easy, knowing that you won't have to shell out more money for replacements if something goes wrong. So, if you're looking for a reliable and sturdy bike tire lever to remove your flat tire, look no further than the Gorilla Force Ultra Strong Bike Tire Levers. Number 3. Maffit Bike Inner Tire Patch Repair Kit. As an outdoor cyclist, the last thing you want is a flat tire ruining your ride. But with the Maffit Bike Inner Tire Patch Repair Kit, you can have peace of mind knowing you are prepared for any unexpected tire mishaps. This kit is a reliable and fast emergency repair kit with professional-grade tools. It comes with 6 pre-glued patches and 11 vulcanizing patches, all conveniently packaged for easy use. The pre-glued patches offer a speedy solution to quickly fix small punctures, while the vulcanizing patches provide a professional repair for larger damages. The kit also includes 4 metal files and 2 levers for easy use, ensuring a user-friendly and hassle-free experience when performing the repairs. All of these tools are stored in a lightweight and portable storage box, making it easy to bring along on any outdoor adventure. The kit's standout feature is its versatility, as it can be used to repair various inflatable rubber items, including bicycles, motorcycles, and wheelchairs. And with a 100% satisfaction guarantee from Maffit, it's a worry-free purchase for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile tire repair kit for outdoor activities. So, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, make sure you have the Maffit Bike Inner Tire Patch Repair Kit with you on your next outdoor adventure. Number 4. 50 Strong Bike Tire Levers. As a cyclist, there's nothing more frustrating than getting a flat tire while out on a ride. But with the 50 Strong Bike Tire Levers, changing that flat is a breeze. These tire levers feature an ergonomic design that makes them easy to hold and use. And with a molded-in texture, you can be sure that you'll have a secure grip. When you're not using them, the interlocking design of these tire levers ensures easy storage and transportation, so you can keep them on hand whenever you need them. Made in the USA with high-quality materials, these tire levers are built to last, and can withstand the rigors of frequent use. And with their satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that you're getting a reliable and trustworthy product. So, if you're a serious cyclist looking for a top-quality set of tire levers, the 50 Strong Bike Tire Levers are an excellent choice. Number 5. Troggett's Premium Bicycle Tire Lever Tire Spoon Iron Changing Tool. Flat tires can be a real pain for cyclists, but with the Troggett's Premium Bicycle Tire Lever Tire Spoon Iron Changing Tool, changing a tire has never been easier. This set of 3 tire levers is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The levers have a molded-in texture that enhances grip, making it easy to remove even the most stubborn tires, without causing any damage to your bike's rims. The ergonomic design of the Troggett's toolset provides a comfortable grip during use, ensuring a smooth and easy tire changing process. The Troggett's Premium Bicycle Tire Lever Tire Spoon Iron Changing Toolset is a must-have accessory for any biking enthusiast looking to change their flat tire with ease. Get yours today and get back on the road in no time. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.